Hi, my name is John, and I am the owner of the Good Steward Online. We are a bookkeeping service located in Wasilla, Alaska. Today, I want to show you a tool in QuickBooks Online that could potentially save your business hours every week. My company, we charge our customers a monthly fee for their bookkeeping service. So I don't charge by the hour. It's a set fee. It never changes until we get a new contract and we renegotiate the cost of our services. So there's lots of companies that are set up this way. We have a landscaping company here in our town that charges a monthly fee for lawn mowing services, and they also charge a monthly fee for snow removal services. So instead of going in and having someone prepare those invoices every week after the lawn is mowed or every month after they've mowed the lawn for 2 or 3 times, QuickBooks has a way that you can automatically bill your customers the same amount and receive that payment automatically. So that's what I want to look at. The first thing we want to do is we want to go over here to Cells on the left, and we want to choose Recurring Payments. And because this is a sample company, we're going to view a sample recurring payment. So we want to choose a customer. Let's go over here and choose a customer. For this example, we're just going to choose Amy's Bird Sanctuary. And since we are a lawn mowing service set up in this company, let's choose services. We're going to type in the description lawn mowing. And let's say we agreed upon $200 every month for their lawn mowing service. Over here to the right, it says this is a recurring payment setting. So we need to set some parameters on this. The first setting is when to charge. Do we want to select a future date or do we want to select immediately? A little note on this. When the customer receives this, it's going to appear on the customer's end like they have 30 days to pay this invoice and it's not due for 30 days. That's indicated here. Customer will have 30 days to accept the recurring payment. What I like to do in my business is when I send the contract, the initial contract, it says the contract takes effect upon receipt of the first payment. That way it nudges the customer to go in and make that first payment to get the contract in force and the services to begin. Once they go in and make that first payment, that's going to be the date when their payment comes out every month. So I have a customer that paid me, they started the contract on the 15th of the month. So the 15th of every month, I get payment from them. It automatically charges the card on file or takes the money out of the bank account that they have set up. And this says when this is going to end. So let's say you had a lawn mowing service and you stopped the lawn mowing service at a set day, and you want to set that day, and that's written out in the contract that this is when the payment's going to end. In my case, it ends never because until they break the contract, then I'll go in and stop their automatic payments. But it's going to repeat. You can choose if this repeats weekly, monthly, or annually. And you can also put a reminder here that's going to remind your customer to accept the recurring payment a few times before it expires. And that's a good thing also to nudge the customer to go in and set that up. What's great about this is the billing is on autopilot. You don't have to worry about it, and you're automatically going to be receiving that payment from your customer. And once again, it's going to save your company a tremendous amount of time in figuring up the cost each month or each week that you would have to bill the customer. So I hope this helps someone out there. If you're finding these tips helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to continue to upload new content as the weeks go by. Thanks.